This is such an old-time favorite recipe. I'm Tess, and tonight I'm making Amish potato cakes using leftover mashed potatoes from Thanksgiving. They are easy and oh so good. Stay tuned. The great thing about these Amish mashed potato cakes is you can eat them any time of the day, breakfast, lunch, dinner, appetizer, or snack, and they are made from leftovers. I have 3 cups of leftover mashed potatoes. They already have some salt and pepper seasoning in the potatoes, but I'm adding just a little more. I'm adding in 1 large egg and a half a cup of breadcrumbs. This will help hold the potato cakes together. I'm adding in a couple chopped green onions for that hint of onion flavor. You can also use chopped chives or even some parsley. This is a half a cup of all-purpose flour. At this point you can go ahead and mix this, and it's great for the potato cakes. But tonight I'm adding in 2/3 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese for some cheesiness. Now I'm giving everything a good mix. In my skillet on medium heat, I have the bottom covered with oil for frying. I don't like to make the potato cakes too big, so I use a tablespoon and then flatten them out. You don't want to overcrowd the pan. These will take about 2 to 3 minutes to cook on each side. Keep an eye on the heat. I have an electric stove and I have the heat on a 7 to start, and then I adjust lower as needed. You want the crust to be a golden brown. When the potato cakes are done, place on a paper towel to drain any excess oil. Just a reminder that I will leave the recipe and the list of ingredients for these Amish potato cakes below this video. Also remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video recipe, and click the bell to make sure you receive notification of all my future video recipes. This recipe makes about 20 Amish mashed potato cakes. They are so easy to make. A nice crunchy crust, and inside delicious cheesy mashed potatoes with lots of flavor. You can serve these potato cakes with a dip or as a side dish with any meal. I hope you give these Amish potato cakes a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!